So, g'day people, how you going? This is a letter opening today. So, this is Glenn back with some, I presume these are banknotes. So, I've got 3 letters. But having a look at the stamps. See on the United States stamps, this is a 2018. Has a flower on it, doesn't look like a rose, can't remember what type of flower it is. But the interesting thing is that it has forever. So this means you pay one price and you can use this stamp for, no, just say you pay like $2 and in 10 years time, then maybe the postage is about $4. So you can still use this one for the equivalent value. So just one stamp, so you won't need 2 of these stamps, you just still use the one. So that's a good thing. In Australia we don't have that, you have to get your own new stamps. And here's another stamp. This is a German one, Deutschland, 90 euro cents. It has a date. So Deutschland is Germany in German. 100 Jahren Monaspere. Don't know what that word means. So 100 years or something. What does that look like? Yeah, it looks like a water catchment. So this is a dam. So it's a type of dam in Germany. And then we have an Australian stamp. I remember actually going fishing for these when I was young. I used to catch quite a lot of these and we used to eat them. These are called flathead. We just call them flathead, tiger flathead. There's different species. Sustainable fish. So trawler with a net at the back to catch these fish. These fish actually live down on the bottom of water on the sand. So underneath these fish is actually white. These fish are actually quite a nice fish to catch, and they're usually the commonest fish to actually get, especially in Bass Strait and Port Phillip Bay. So Port Phillip Bay is south of Melbourne. That's the actual bay. Look it up. It's actually quite large. So let's get into opening what we have here. So I'll open up the American one first. And, oops. Then we'll see what we have. So I might have got off this guy before. Can't remember. I buy a few people, so. Okay, it's in an envelope for security. Obviously, this is a banknote. Oh, don't bend it. Oh yeah. This should have actually been put into some plastic, so it actually protect it just in case the letter got actually wet. So Japanese 10 yen. This is a 1930 issue. And as you can see, it's actually been folded, and this is caused by most likely the printing process. So that's quite a nice banknote that I got there. And yeah, you wouldn't get this type of feature. So it's nice. This is actually my favourite Japanese banknote. Looks quite nice. It's a nice dark colour. Not much on this side. It has a temple, and on this side, it just looks beautiful. It's better than the other denominations that were issued. And this is my second Japanese 10 yen. As you can see, it's all in kanji, which is just Chinese script. Okay, let's open the next one. I'll open the German one up. The Australian one looks a bit harder to open. Okay. Okay, here I have German 5 marks. So this is a equivalent to 5 Reichsmarks or 5 Rentenmarks. And let's see if we can get them out. Is there any more? There should have been some more actually. Maybe on the other side. No, that's about it. Oh, is that all on that one? So we have 4 5-mark banknotes. In pretty poor condition, that one. These were actually not too expensive. This one's the best one. So as the Allies took over Germany at the end of World War II, they actually issued their own currency because there would have been a lack of currency. And these ones are issued between 1945 and 1948. They have the date 1944 on it. Allied military using Germany, 5 marks, and these come in denominations of half, 1, 2, and 5 marks in a square pattern, and a longer pattern which is more like 2 of those together in 10, 20, 50, 100 and 1,000 marks. Now the most expensive one is 1,000 and it's actually the hardest one to get. If you look up there, up here somewhere, just there, sometimes they have, or is it down here? No, they have like an F. Oh, they have an F somewhere anyway. And that indicates it's printed in the United States. 1, 0. So I can't actually find the F. Whenever I find the F, I would actually point it out to you. So that's a pretty good thing to actually find. Okay, and the last one I got a 50 francs. Now this was issued by the Americans as well. As you can see the similarities, you've got Germany, America. And they also issued banknotes for Austria and Italy as well as Japan. So these type of banknotes were issued by those 5 countries. I can't think of any other countries that actually issued them for, because most of the other ones like Denmark, Netherlands, Belgium, they took over issuing their own currency as soon as they were liberated. And same with the Eastern European countries as well. And this one actually wouldn't have circulated long because France took over its own printing of currency. Well, it actually did print currency during the war in France. It wouldn't have stopped because France is a large country. And these ones come in, I think 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100 francs, and 500 and 1,000 francs. That's just guessing. I will have to look that up. And as you can see, the quality is actually not that high in these banknotes because they done 2 things. They were actually printed very quickly because they needed a currency, and are used to probably as like victor's justice to show the Germans this is what happens when you lose. And because the security features are pretty poor, the French actually got rid of them quite quickly. And so did Italy, actually, and Austria. It was only in Germany that they lasted a long time. So anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and have an awesome banknote collecting time, people, because banknotes show the history of a country and the culture and the language and many other things. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out my links below, and have an awesome banknote collecting time, people. Okay, bye bye.